Listen freely with the Snapdragon sound with the Edifier W220T. This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views. We will be talking about an audio device feature for this video. Classic earbuds design that you might prefer for your daily listening and calling needs. And let us kick this off with the specs of the Edifier W220T. Bluetooth 5.3, up to total of 24 hours playtime, 6 hours on earbuds charge, dual microphone, Qualcomm aptX voice technology, customizable control via app, IP54 water resistant, soft touch controls. Join me in this unboxing ceremony. It is indeed joyous to open new gadgets. This is the box showing the pair of earphones. These sleeves is showing off the highlights and specifications of these earbuds. Sliding the sleeve will reveal another black box. Open this up and you will see the Edifier WT20's case. Here's the charging case. Inside the case are the earphones, and underneath is the charging cable and instructions manual. This case opens upward, and there is a button here to reset pairing. The charging port in USB-C, and there is a light indicator here. Let us take out the earpiece. The earbuds are the regular and non-intrusive design. I am a fan of this type of earbuds. It has a stem here and it is quite short. There are two microphones, and the soft touch control is around here, facing front. What I like about the placing of the control is it lessens the accidental touches when you are putting the earphones on your ear. So the looks and feel of the ear setup. The case, it is rounded in shape, an oval as you can see here. The texture of the case is glossy plastic, as well as the earbuds. As this is a glossy plastic and you do not want hairline scratches on this, do not put this together with your coins and keys. Just put it in a snuggly pouch. This is how it looks when you put the earbuds on. The stem is small and I like how it looks, and I'm liking the color black. Let me describe to you the sound. Let me give you a level rating for low, mids, high, clarity, and loudness. For bass or lows, I can give it 6 out of 10. For mids, 7 out of 10. For treble, 7 out of 10. For clarity, 6 out of 10. And for loudness, 8 out of 10. Using the Edifier WT20T, you will still hear the ambient sound around you as there are gaps in your ear and the earphones. So this is expected on a non-in-ear buds. If you want to have more punchy bass, position it right on your ears. Place it a bit deeper. Overall, it's a good everyday pair. It is well balanced, and for a non-in-ear type buds, it covers the basics of your listening needs. Look for Edifier W220T on your Bluetooth to pair this on your device. You may also download and pair it with the Edifier app. This app will display the battery status, and you can select from presets such as classic, pop, classical, or rock according to your preference. You can also activate game mode to lessen the delay of the sound. Using this app, you can also customize the controls using the soft touch buttons. The pressure sensitivity on how hard and soft you press and activate a command. This pair gives 6 hours of use time on the earbuds. It can be extended up to a total of 24 hours using the charging case. 6 hours on the buds is above average for this class. You can control your device, your music, or voice calls using the soft touch button. You can pinch the stem for you to control the volume, have the next song, drop a call, or answer a call. Usually, I hear Snapdragon chipsets on mobile phone processors. And this pair is equipped with the Snapdragon sound chip. It has two microphones to pick up your voice and ambient sound, for it to process the noise cancellation, and also to process the sound and give you a clear one for this setup. Hello, I'm currently using the Edifier W220T on this video. What I like on these earphones is that it is quite small, and it is not the in-ear type. It is using the classic, or it is having the classic design. It snuggles fit on my ear and I do not feel any strain when using it for a bit. And what I like also on the design is usually when we adjust or fit the earphones in our ears, we touch this part to put it inside our ear. What's special on this pair is the soft touch control is here on the front. So you won't be touching it if you're adjusting it and putting your earphone on the right spot. Are you hearing my voice clearly even when I'm outside? So this is the Edifier W220T. As we conclude, what do I like about the Edifier W220T? First, I like how durable it feels. It is plastic, yet it feels durable. The plastic holds and feels premium in quality. Second, what I like is the 6-hour battery. It is quite long for continuous use. You can listen to several of your playlists and have long conversations without running out of battery. Third, I like the overall voice quality and sound of this pair. Thanks to the Snapdragon chip, it helps process the sound and make it clear as possible. Edifier has been a brand that you can trust when it comes to sound. And this earbud setup is one of the good candidates you can buy for this type of buds. If you are interested in one, I will have Shopee and Lazada links on the description. You may also check out the discount voucher we have here that you can use during this promo period. So if you're looking for a classic earbuds, the Edifier WT20T is one you can consider. Keep on sharing your thoughts and views about this gadget. Comment kayo at pag-usapan natin ang mga views ninyo and learn from each other. This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views. Hanggang sa muli! Hello everyone! Subukan natin ito. Magkakaroon tayo ng raffle for this video. Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin ay to share this YouTube video or this link to your Facebook account with hashtag Lanicom Edifier W220T. Again, that's hashtag Lanicom Edifier W220T on your Facebook and make sure na nakapublic yung post ninyo. Abangan nyo lang sa aking Facebook account din ng Lanicom Views na page kung sino ang magiging winner ng ating raffle for today. I hope you join and share your views and learn from each other. This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views.